Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is how to sort in Microsoft Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet, which means you've got lots of different records. Each record has fields and values. A record is a whole collection of information. A field is one bit of information that has the value in it. We want to be able to sort based on one particular field, like a last name, a first name, a grade, an address, a phone number, anything like that. You can see here that I've got a simple grade sheet. I've got my students' names, their test scores, their final exam scores, and a final score. If I want to sort this alphabetically based on the students' names, all I have to do is go up to Data and Sort. You can see it gives me a lot of options. I can sort by, then by, then by. That's a multiple sort, sorting by last name, then first name, or phone number, anything you need. But we're good with just name for now. Ascending means we're going in alphabetical order. Descending would mean we're going reverse alphabetical order. And down at the bottom we have my data range has a header row or no header row. Now, since I have a header row, it says name, test 1, test 2, I'm leaving that checked. If you didn't have a row up top that says what each column is about, you can click no header row. But I'll keep it with the header row and hit OK. And you can see that now we're all in alphabetical order. Jim, Karen, Sally, Tom. That looks about right to me. I'm Jeff, and this is how to sort in Microsoft Excel.